Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a free traffic source for affiliate marketing. And yes, this method is available worldwide. It is beginner friendly. You don't need website, you don't need any software. It's all done for you. And you can set up everything in just 5 minutes. And you can use this method for ClickBank affiliate marketing, Digistore24 affiliate marketing, JVZoo affiliate marketing, and so on and so on. But setup is a bit different compared to other similar websites, so you must watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And even though with this method you can promote multiply products, all of those products should be in same niche. And that is why you need to choose the niche. Next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace and let's say I'm in relationship niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on self-help. And then click here on marriage and relationships. And then I'm going to sort this by gravity and I'm going to scroll here and click on must have affiliate tools page. Before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also if you subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. You need to research all of these products. You need to check their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages. You need to read some reviews. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to research all of these products. And then based on those data, you will decide which of these products you wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, His Secret Obsession. By the way, if ClickBank doesn't work in your country and you wish to promote this product here, His Secret Obsession, just go on Digistore24 and click here on Dating, Love and Relationships. And here you can see it is exactly the same product, His Secret Obsession. You can find most of the ClickBank products on Digistore24 as well, so if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, just go on Digistore24, find that product and start promoting it and start making money. So let's just go back on ClickBank for this example, and let's just open their affiliate tools page in new window, just to see all the tools that they're actually offering us in order to promote their product. So what I need to do, I will just scroll here on the bottom. Let me just scroll, click here, get started now. And then click here on skip the commission bump. And here you can see all the tools that they're actually giving us in order to promote their product. Promo links, emails, copywriting, images and video ads, articles and landers, paid traffic, training and rules for promoting their product. But I'm actually looking for videos, so I will click here on image and video ads. And then I'm going to click here on video ads. And here you can see they're giving us videos that we can use to promote their product. You can upload these videos on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, or wherever you want. So let's just click on this one here. Have you been through a breakup? I will just click on it. And here you can see they actually gave us two options. Enter email call to action and click to action. So I wish actually to use click to action. So all I have to do is just click here on download zipped video. Click OK and that's it. You will download this video on your desktop. Like I said, they already made these videos. They already prepared these videos for us to make it easier for us. It's all done for you, so you don't have to do any of these things. I mean, if you wish to create videos by yourself, that is even better, but you don't need to do that. Like I said, most of the ClickBank products will actually give you videos, so you don't have to make those videos by yourself. So now when I have my video, next thing I need to do, I need to get my affiliate link. So I will go back on ClickBank and I'm going to click here on promote to get my ClickBank affiliate link. Click here on generate hook link. And then click here on copy to copy this ClickBank affiliate link. And the next thing you need to do, it is really important, you need to shorten this long and ugly link. So next thing I need to do, I need to go on Bitly. And I need to create a shortened link. So click here on create and I will paste my ClickBank affiliate link here. Click create, give it a second and now you can customize this link. And I always suggest to customize your links to be something related to the product. So let's say something like this. Let me just delete this and let's just say something like this. His Secret Obsession. Let's just see, is it available? Click here on save. Okay, it is not available. So I will just add 12 here and click save. It's already taken, so I will add 3. I will find, okay, this one is not taken. So next thing I need to do, I need to copy this link. Okay, copy. And now I need to start promoting this product here with the video that I already downloaded from their affiliate tools page. But let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use to promote this product. When we go on SimilarWeb, here we can see that last month this website got 40 million visits, and it's getting pretty much stable 40 million visits per month. And when we scroll here, we will see that more than 70% of their traffic is coming from highly developed countries: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and Australia. And when we scroll here, we will see that most of their traffic is direct traffic, which is best kind of traffic because most of the people who visit their website is going intentionally on their website. They are not searching Google and then randomly ending up on their website. They actually go on their website on purpose because they wish to visit their website. And the website that I'm talking about is called BitChute. I hope I pronounced this well. BitChute is basically alternative for YouTube. As you can see, it really is really similar to YouTube. So first thing you need to do, you need to register. So here in upper right corner, click here on register. And you will need to confirm that you are not robot. Click here, I am human. And find the images with trucks. Okay, these are trucks. Click here, next. Again, trucks, these are trucks. Okay, verify. You need to choose your username, you need to add your email address, you need to add your password. Password must be 8 characters and longer. You need to confirm your password, enter referral code. We don't have a referral code. Click here, do you understand, accept policies? Yes. And click here, I agree, create account, and you need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to this page here. And now you need to upload your video that we downloaded from their affiliate tools page. So to do that, just click here on upload new video. Now this is really important part of the video because BitChute is a bit different. It looks simple, this form looks simple, but actually there is a catch. So you need to watch this part of the video really carefully. So first thing you need to do, you need to add title to your video. So for that I can go to their affiliate tools page and I can simply copy this title here. Just Ctrl+C, go back here and Ctrl+V, and I will delete this. Okay, your title should include your main keyword, and in this case it is breakup. And now I need to add a description, and for description you can actually go on their affiliate tools page. You can click here on articles and landers, click here on article landing pages, and click here, scroll here and click start article download. And then click here OK, and you will save zipped file on your desktop. Now I already extracted that file, so all I have to do is just click here on rich text articles. Click here, and you need to choose one of these articles that fits the best with the video. So I'll just click on this first one here. I will click on it to open it. And what I can do, I can simply copy this article here, just highlight this, okay, Ctrl+C, go back here, and paste your description here. Now I need to add call to action, so I can say something like this. Click on this link to make him fall in love with you, and column. And now I need to go on Bitly, and I need to click here on copy to copy this shortened affiliate link. Just go back here and paste that link here. Scroll here. Content sensitivity normal. This is not NSF video, so keep it here on normal. And now you need to add cover image or thumbnail. To do that, go back on their affiliate tools page and then click here on images and video ads. Click here and then click on high converting banners. And you can use any of these banners as a cover image for your video. So let's say I wish to use this image here. So I will click here, right click here, and then click save image as. And click here save to save it on your desktop. Go back here, click upload cover image and find the image that you downloaded. This is the image, click open, give it a few seconds to upload that image on this website, and just go back here, click publish now. And I actually forgot to upload videos, so let me just scroll here, click upload video and find the video that we downloaded. Let me just find the video. It's actually in the folder, and I will use call to action. This is the video. Click open. Give it a few seconds to upload this video on the website. But actually we didn't finish. We need to do some more things, so keep watching this video. So I need to scroll back here and I need to click on finish. And like I said, we actually didn't finish. We need to do some more things. Really important things. Okay, video is processing, but when we scroll here, and click here on more, we will see that our link is actually not clickable. So what we need to do, we need to click here on settings, and we need to go back on Bitly and we need to copy again with the HTTPS. So let me just paste like this. So link must have HTTPS. Okay, it must be full link. And let me just scroll here. Now we can actually add hashtags. Now your main keyword should be in the title and also in the description. That will help you with the optimization, but you also need to add hashtags in order to help you additionally to rank on their search results. So I will add hashtag relationship in this case. And also breakup, hashtag breakup. And that's it for now. You will obviously add more hashtags, and those hashtags should be related to your main keyword. Okay, next we need to choose a category. So click here and we need to find right category. So let me just scroll through this. Let's just choose people and family. I will keep it as normal because this is not NSF video, and that is why I will keep it normal. And then click here on save. Okay, so when I go back here and click on watch, okay, this video is still processing, and when I scroll here, you can see that now this link is actually clickable. So let me just click on it to check it for any case. Okay, as you can see, this is the product that we are promoting, ClickBank product that we are promoting. This is their sales page. So this link actually works. So let me just go back on their website. And you need to upload as many videos as you can on this website, of course in same niche, and you can promote this product, but you can also promote all of these products in this category, in this niche. And the more videos you upload, the more views you will get, and the more people will click on your link, affiliate link like this. And don't forget to add HTTPS for that link, because otherwise it won't be clickable. And like I said, the more people click on that affiliate link, the more people will buy this product and the more money you will make. So this is how you do affiliate marketing without website by driving free traffic. You can apply this method on ClickBank affiliate marketing, on Digistore24 affiliate marketing, and other affiliate networks. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.